Hey there gardeners, this is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. January may feel like a quiet time for us gardeners, but trust me, the month is packed with opportunities to set your garden up for a thriving year ahead. Whether you're new to gardening or a seasoned green thumb, I've got you covered with this January gardening checklist video to keep your hands busy and your mind sane during the winter months. So let's get started. Winter is perfect for pruning and cleaning out your garden. With bare branches, you can easily shape your plants and clear out debris. Prune deciduous trees and shrubs like roses, apple trees, and hydrangeas for better air circulation and healthy growth come spring. Clear garden beds of fallen leaves and debris to prevent pests and diseases. Compost healthy plant matter for added sustainability. Quick tip: use clean, sharp tools for pruning and make angled cuts to prevent water from pooling in the cut. January is also the ultimate planting season. Reflect on last year's garden and get ready for a fresh start. Browse your seed catalogs to order flowers, native plants, or heirloom vegetables, and use a garden journal to sketch layouts considering sun exposure, soil health, and crop rotation. Consideration: warm zones can plan early planting schedules, while the colder ones will focus on indoor preparation. Frost can be tough on your plants, but with a little protection, they'll weather the winter just fine. Be sure you cover sensitive plants with frost cloth, cloches, and old sheets. Apply mulch like shredded leaves or straw to insulate your roots and retain moisture. Quick tip: check your weather forecast to anticipate frost and have materials ready to act quickly. If the outdoors is too chilly, bring the garden inside. Indoor gardening is a great way to beat the winter blues. Start your seeds indoors using trays, grow lights, or heating mats for plants like tomatoes and peppers. Dust your houseplant leaves to maximize light absorption, and check for overwatering or pests. Quick tip: reuse yogurt containers or egg cartons as seed starting pots. Your tools work hard for you all year. Show them some love this January so they're ready for spring. Clean, sharpen, and oil tools to extend their lifespan. Organize your shed to avoid duplicates and prepare for the busy season. Quick tip: keep a bucket of sand mixed with food-grade mineral oil to clean and condition your tools after use this season. Your garden isn't just for you, it's a haven for wildlife too. Take a moment to care for your feathered and furry friends. Keep bird feeders stocked with seeds and create habitats for leaving wild areas and building shelters with logs and brush piles. Plant native berry shrubs like holly or viburnum to provide natural food sources for your birds. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great garden. January is the perfect time to give it some attention. Conduct a soil test and check your pH and nutrient levels. Add compost or organic fertilizers based on the results. Mulch to insulate soil, reduce corrosion, and enrich it as mulch breaks down. Quick tip: consider planting a winter cover crop like clover to improve soil structure and fix nitrogen. January may feel quiet, but it's a powerful time to prepare for a thriving garden come spring. Whether you're pruning, planting, planting, or doing indoor work, every effort you make now will pay off when spring arrives. What's your favorite January gardening task? Share in the comments, and if I missed something, go ahead and add it. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening.